Welcome to Taiwan. We spent the last 2 days exploring cherry blossom farms on the mountaintops of Taichung, Taiwan. Our last stop of the weekend would be a luxurious modern castle located in neighboring Chiayi County. Because this journey down the mountain lasted several hours, we stopped by several stops along the way to soak up the surrounding scenery and the beauty of Taiwan.
This is one of the moments where I just want to stop and just kind of like soak in the atmosphere, soak in the scenery. This is very normal for a lot of people, but for me, I don't get to see this I don't see that where I'm from. I don't see this in the DC area. I mean, I could drive to Shenandoah, but people are living on the side of the mountains. There's a lot of vendors selling fruits and fresh vegetables. I don't just want to walk by it and dismiss it. It's a mix of old and modern, and I really kind of appreciate that. And now they're looking for me, and they're like, okay, where's Virak? So now I feel like a little obligated to go follow the group.
You know what I think is beautiful?
Aw, I appreciate that. What do you think is beautiful?
Nature is beautiful. So look at these. Like once in a while, you go for a little bit, and then you see a random cherry tree, somewhere, on the cliff. I think that's beautiful. Maybe the seed was blown, to a random spot, and then it just rooted, and then it grew into a tree, and that's just the power of the nature. Yeah, that's what I think is the most beautiful scene.
Well, it's funny that you just mentioned that. What I was just saying is like, this is one of the moments where I just want to stop and absorb. But the problem with traveling with a group is if the rest of the group is supposed to go, then it feels a little obligated to just go with them. You don't really get to stop and absorb all of this nature and beauty.
Yeah. Oh, well, but it's okay, because it also gives you a different way to, whoa, look at all these.
Gives you a different, I wish my wife would.
Give a different experience, traveling experience.
Yeah, she doesn't tend to finish sentences well. She found a vendor, so she has to stop. See, that's not fair to me sometimes. They get to stop and look at vendors. I just want to stop and enjoy this. So I want to put the camera down and enjoy this, and enjoy and just kind of be present, because I'm not going to have this in a couple weeks. So I'm just going to enjoy, soak it all up. Bye, guys.
We're just here for the sea of cloud.
Yeah, this is a beautiful view, and you got to check this out. Yeah. These steps are really steep and they're uneven, so I got to make sure I hold this. It's pretty windy and cold up here. I'm not going to be too daring with the drone. I'm going to fly it up, look around for about a minute, and then come back, because I don't want to risk losing that drone. Oh, look at this. It's so beautiful. We are literally above the clouds. Oh, even better. Okay, it's quite windy, but I'm going to be bold. I'm going to try to fly the drone and see what happens. The whole time that I was filming, that I was flying the drone, I got some awesome shots. Some behind the scenes. I even enabled the face tracking, but I forgot to hit record on this thing. Whatever. Okay, I'm losing my breath because the altitude here is really high, but the view is incredible. Come out here, make sure you guys check it out. Sometimes they want to see if there's snow or not up here, so they have a 24-hour camera. That camera right there, you can actually see everything that's going on live up here.
At first glance, you might assume this building's occupied by royalty. Its classic European architecture is a stark contrast to the surrounding area, which makes it a popular destination site for tourists to visit and explore the beautiful landscape to take photos. Château de Jourdeness is a biotechnology park built by professionals. Jourdaness is a popular skincare line in Taiwan, and this location is a medical research facility. It was built in 2022 and boasts over 1 million visitors each year. Upon entering, they'll have you sit through a presentation about how their skincare products are developed. After all, the purpose of this attraction is to sell and promote beauty products.
The place is really beautiful, and we are just trying to take as many photos as we can before the sun goes down. The sun is going down now, as you can probably tell, and there's just so many different photogenic spots. It's hard to cover all in just the time that we have here.
This is a beautiful place for photo shoot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Especially wedding photo shoot.
I wonder how many times they've actually hosted a wedding here.
Actually, why do we do it this way? It's actually, you know, closer.
This would be good here too.
I walked out without buying anything, but it was worth the visit to get beautiful photos of our group. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please help us grow this channel by liking, sharing, and leaving a comment. Thank you for enjoying a slow morning with us.
Sorry.
Mom bear.
No.
Well,
Never mind.
all right.